Welcome to this video tutorial on the topic of parameters, Part 2. This video will show you how to define the parameters for inlays, onlays, veneers, and pontics. Go to the System menu and then to the Configuration. Under Parameters, click on the option for Inlay and Onlay. With the exception of the parameter marginal adhesive gap, we have already explained all of the additional parameters in the video tutorial Parameters, Part 1. The adhesive gap determines the space between the occlusal restoration margin and the preparation margin. This is only applicable for inlays and onlays. You can adjust the width of the gap by using the slide controller. The value cannot exceed the spacer value. Confirm the changes with OK. Click on the double arrow to return to the restoration selection. Now let's take a look at the parameters for veneers. The parameters for the spacer, the occlusal milling offset, and the margin reinforcement have already been explained. The parameter veneer thickness defines the minimum thickness for veneers. As the chewing force in the case of veneers is lower, the minimum thickness can also be lower. Confirm the changes as before. Let's go back to the restoration selection and take a look at the parameters for a pontic. We are only going to take a closer look at the gingival spacing and the lingual opening angle. For the first one, you can adjust the spacing between the basal side of the pontic and the gingiva. With the lingual opening angle, you can define the increase of the basal area of the pontic in oral direction. Confirm the changes once again with OK. We can now finish the configuration and then start with a restoration. Thank you very much for your attention. We would like to wish you every success when working with CEREC.